In this episode of Cassius Tales, we sail into Zanzibar Marina to attend to some boat work. Boat work can be fun too, especially when you don't have to worry about wasting your fresh water, and when it's followed by a sneaky sunset cocktail on the bow. We said goodbye to the beautiful island of Pemba and headed back to Zanzibar. Sailing in Zanzibar Channel is an adventure of its own kind. We felt we were navigating an obstacle course, dodging sandbars, fishing boats and floating plastic bottles that often mark fishing traps. Close to Stone Town, there is also some ferry traffic added to the mix. We had to keep our eyes peeled open at all times.
Hello.
Today we're about to pull into Zanzibar Marina.
For the second time.
For the second time round. And what does marina mean to us, Richard?
It means washing, cleaning, work.
It means work, exactly.
Working.
Work.
And I'm looking forward to it. We've had a whole weekend off. Now it's back to work.
So I think today we're just going to check in and fill our water tanks. And tomorrow it's all going to happen.
Well, I'm going to start washing Cassius today, I think.
Okay, you can. You may.
Yeah. Sunny.
How hot is it here?
Oh honey, it's boiling hot. It's good to be back though, isn't it? But damn, it's warm. That was an uneventful trip, I must say, because we motored most of the way and had a little bit of wind. Coming in was a little bit treacherous because Zanzibar has a lot of sandbars that pop up in the low tide, so they're just scattered all around you. So you got to dodge in between those, the fishing guys, the ferries that come flying in from the mainland. It's unlike Donkey Kong. And fishing traps, loads of fishing traps. We're here now in Zanzibar.
Let's go check in. The marina office was closed over the weekend, so the check-ins and the credit card payments were handled by the hotel reception, a few minutes walk through the resort.
Okay, so we've just checked into Zanzibar Marina. The office is closed, being Saturday, so we've just come up to the hotel here to pay our fees, which they accept the credit card anyway. So we're here, going to start cleaning the boat, preparing to head off to our next adventure.
Zanzibar Marina is a part of Azam Resort, located in the outskirts of Stone Town. Not your typical marina, this one mostly caters for day charter boats, not the liveaboat yachties. But it served our purpose of a short-term stay. For $50 a night, we had a secure dock, water on tap, free Wi-Fi at the air-conditioned lounge, a swimming pool, and even a small gym. But before we could enjoy the leisure facilities, we had some board shows to attend to. So we wasted no time hooking up the shore power and water, as we were desperate to wash the salt off Cassius.
Nope, we nearly went overboard. All done. Cassius is spotlessly clean, just how we like her. Okay, so all the jobs that we've planned to do on Cassius in the marina has been done. We're a couple of days ahead.
Feeling very accomplished.
Yeah, very, yes. Cassius is spotlessly clean, everything's running smoothly, and we are now having a nice celebratory drink. Cheers, everybody, and we'll see you next time. We try and film as best we can with our daily experience. Please subscribe and give us a like, or maybe send us a comment, and we're happy to respond.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Better check the barbecue.
Join us next week as we're stocking up on diesel, doing some passage planning and provisioning as we're getting ready to leave Tanzania.